Strange but true. We've told you about this company before. It's called Comptronic, and they produce devices to help your brain. But now their research has just been published. The company uses a technique they call Audio-Visual Entrainment to help speed up brain waves. President Dave Seaver says their findings show entrainment helps teens with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder by treating the brain like a tuning fork.
Entrainment with the brain is a similar idea. The brain will respond to a certain number of frequencies in terms of flashing lights or pulsing tones. So when we drive the brain with these stimuli of lights or tones, that energy gets routed through a part of the brain called the thalamus, and the whole brain starts to resonate at different frequencies as we control them by the lights and sounds.
Their study is found in the Journal of Neurotherapy, and the company hopes to bring their entrainment technique into the school system to help students with ADHD.
These students at Britannia Junior High in West Edmonton started using the device last month. They all suffer from attention deficit disorder. The hope is to stimulate their brain so they can focus on their own without having to take drugs like Ritalin.
This could explode into a huge business and a huge technology overtaking a lot of the pharmaceutical treatments that are in place now.
The University of Alberta Psychology Department helped design the study. Teachers and parents will be monitoring the kids, watching for any improvements in their attention span and their grades. If the kids improve, it could lead to a formal trial. According to this U of A professor, it could also help scientists better understand what causes attention deficit disorder in the first place.
One of the very interesting things that's happening today in the whole area of mental health is we're realizing that contextual conditions, that means the environment, and that includes the social environment as well as the physical environment, are extremely important in the manifestation of psychiatric and psychological pathological symptoms.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Your City. I'm Paul Meunier. Getting inside the mind. It is our first topic tonight, and one that even in this very modern age presents perplexing questions. If you know someone with attention deficit disorder, you might be interested to know about flashing goggles. Now, the device has been around for a while, but City TV's Sudha Krishnan tells us the technology is getting new attention.
They look like fun. They sound like fun.
Okay, Gracie. How you doing?
And for 10-year-old Grace Thornton, these goggles are not only just fun, they also help her relax.
Here we go.
Yeah, I'm sleeping a lot better.
This is the David PAL.
DAVID stands for Digital Audio-Visual Integration Device. PAL'd with some flashy goggles, it stimulates brain activity. The technology has been around for decades, but it's this Edmonton-based company that's been designing the devices.
And I originally designed these